Today we are going to review and browse the Vineyard Vines website. All right, so this is the homepage. There's a huge sale up to 70% off with that code. And if you take a look at my YouTube shorts, I live next to the outlets. So you'll see Woodbury, New York. So I'll show you some pictures and some music, like a fun little video clip of what the outlet store looks like. So here's some new items. Today is January 11th, 2025. To give you an idea, let's just click on a sweater of the price range. This sweater is $168. There are coupons. You notice the pop-ups. Every day should feel this good. That looks like that slogan. This is nice. So if you scroll down to the bottom, they do offer student discounts, military, teacher, first responders, nurses, and doctors. And I believe it's 15% off. Yes. Let me go back. Our story. So if you are doing Vineyard Vines as your research project, you can get some information here. In 1998, two brothers right here. There's a picture of them right here. They were stuck behind desk jobs that they didn't like. They were miserable, so they quit. So Shep and Ian are the co-founders and brothers. And you can see I created a PowerPoint research project on this company. So after this website review, you can take a look at that. Here, there's just a section of real people. That's a nice feature on the website. I like that. Real good partners. You have Sam Kennedy over here. Camp Southern Ground. K9s for Warriors. The official style of the Kentucky Derby. So you'll see some information here. Our store's careers. You can request a catalog. Let's click on careers. So here you'll have a link for jobs, and that stands for headquarters, and then jobs at retail. So jobs at headquarters, we'll click there. We have 26 of 26 opportunities. The corporate headquarters is in Connecticut, so we're in New York. That's not bad for you guys, especially Stanford here. We got a couple. There's a spring. Students, I found an internship. This is great. Highly motivated college students in good academic standing. Interns, so I would click on this. Technical design. Okay, so a few things you should know. This internship is for credit only, and you must be able to provide paperwork from your school. Come into the office either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and or Thursday, 2 times a week, max of 20 hours a week. So you can read through that. It gives a lot of information. Let's scroll down. There's different internships in various fields. So you have creative, men's design, women's design, women's, girls, design, supply chain. All right, so let's just look if we're looking at an account executive for kids as far as a full-time salaried position. Let's see if we can find any salary. Sometimes they will list a salary range. Others will probably say competitive, or I don't think I see anything here. But they have a ton of great benefits. That's nice. They offer 2 summer Fridays to take off in addition to the competitive vacation policy and holiday calendar. All right, let's go back. So we were at the headquarters. Let's see if we can go to the retail. So there's a ton. Take a look at the map. Locations all over the United States. And there's outlets, there's stores, store managers. All right. All right, let's just search in New York. It's New Jersey. Okay, we'll just go to New Jersey. Here we go. Jersey Shore part-time stock associate. Pay range, I don't see any pay range. All right, so let's go back. Let's just try one more position. Store manager. Here we go. So we do have a salary range. So store managers, 70 to 87,000. And then you'll see all the benefits here. 3 years of retail supervisor experience. And then most retail, they would definitely need you on holidays, nights, and weekends. So that's probably one thing you need to consider when you're doing your retail. All right, let's go back. So they have a lot of career opportunities for Vineyard Vines. My internet's too slow. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Let me just go back this way. All right, back to the homepage. International shipping, fax, shipping and return wish list, start a return order status. So we went to our story, find a store. We know about the teacher discounts. We're going to go take a look at their social media. Usually I just focus on like YouTube and Instagram. And then let's just click on a few more items. Let's go to kids. And here are some price ranges. So for a kid's flannel shirt, $60. A boy's hat, $25. $30 for a t-shirt. Some shorts, $50. Let's check out the performance. Pants for men. So pants, you're looking at like $90 on sale up to $128. They do have bags and totes, some shoes, belts, a home and pet section as well. So here's some flip-flops for $45. And then the sale section. I was reading an article. They partnered with Levi's, I believe, last summer. Let's see, they had some cute t-shirts if I were to search Levi's. Live free. No, I don't see anything. I know there were like t-shirts. If I go to women, maybe graphic tees. Oh, I don't see it. All right, so that's pretty much it. New. Alrighty, I hope you like this website overview. I showed you a lot of products. I showed you the price range. I showed you a little bit about their story on here. I didn't go into the detailed with the real people section, but you can browse. There's that. They have discounts and a great website to find careers and internships. They're very big with internships. So you see a ton of internships available. So if you are enrolled in college and you're close to Connecticut, I would explore that. Get you some work experience in your field and for a great company. All right. So thanks for watching. Till next time. Almost forgot, here's the Vineyard Vines YouTube channel. So notice how some companies, they're bigger on other social media platforms. So that's their YouTube. And now let me show you their Instagram. And here's their Instagram. So you can follow them and scroll down. You can view some of their posts. This is nice. They have 9 new stores. I like the 2024, the wrap up. Oh, here's the Jeep. That's what I was talking about. There might be some t-shirts. I like some of their t-shirts that they have with the Wrangler, the Jeep Wrangler. Here we are. So if you take a look at this post, these are some of the t-shirts. I like that one where they put the whale on the back of the Jeep on the tire. So that's pretty cool. I like that. And that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Take a look, subscribe, and hope you watch our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.